Do you want to unlock the secret to year-round beauty in a small space? I'm Sam with Landscape Garden Centers, and I'll show you the secret. The Globe Blue spruce can not only be used for its good size, call it a 6x6 evergreen, it's also got a differential color that can highlight the rest of your landscape. Maintenance on the Globe Blue spruce is pretty minimal. With the space provided, let it grow. When designing a landscape, the small mounding evergreen is a great way to introduce that same color year-round. Up against your plants that lose their leaves throughout the wintertime, this guy's going to fill in a lot of your beds. When properly used for spacing, these should be able to maximize the space without being trimmed or manicured or maintained. We have a wide variety of dwarf evergreens. Come down to Landscape Garden Centers and talk to an expert.